Hi, I'm Tom Eister, the owner of Angelo Dent Removal. Today I'm going to be working on a 2014 Edge. It's got a dent in the body line, so we're going to have to work that body line back into shape. And I get asked a lot of questions if I can work body lines back in, and today we'll show that the body line can be corrected and work back in. Now, it did do a small bit of damage to the paint, but the customer is wanting the dent removed, so we're going to remove the dent. Let's get started.
Using Paintless Dent Repair is the best repair for your vehicle. Getting a lot closer, got the body line almost worked back in, and it's got the scratches and that little chip of paint. We're going to go ahead and get that all back into shape. Using the blending hammer to knock down the high crowns created from the dent.
Okay, I've got the dent removed. The body line is back into shape. Now, there was a chip in the paint from whatever had impacted the door, so we're going to put a little touch up on that.
Another flawless repair like it was never there.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up.